Home renovations often involve decisions with lasting impacts. One such decision is choosing materials for waterproofing around windows. Some might consider fiberboard due to its affordability, but is it the right choice? Can fiberboard effectively protect your home from water damage? The truth is, using fiberboard for this purpose is risky. While it might seem like a cost-effective solution, it can lead to costly repairs down the line. Let's delve into why fiberboard is a poor choice for waterproofing and explore reliable alternatives. Understanding the limitations of fiberboard and the importance of proper waterproofing can save you from headaches and financial burdens in the future. Making informed decisions is key to a secure and comfortable home. Let's break down why using the right materials is crucial for a safe and dry home. Fiberboard is a common building material made from wood fibers pressed together. It's affordable and easy to work with, making it popular for various applications. However, its properties make it unsuitable for areas exposed to moisture, especially around windows. Fiberboard is susceptible to water damage. When exposed to moisture, it absorbs water like a sponge. This absorption leads to swelling, warping, and eventual disintegration. Imagine a piece of cardboard left out in the rain. Fiberboard reacts similarly when exposed to moisture. This vulnerability to water damage makes fiberboard a poor choice for waterproofing. Using it around windows, where exposure to rain and moisture is inevitable, is a recipe for disaster. In the next section, we'll explore the specific risks associated with using fiberboard for waterproofing. Using fiberboard for waterproofing around windows can lead to a cascade of problems. The material's inherent weakness against moisture creates a vulnerability that can compromise the integrity of your home. Firstly, water seeping through compromised fiberboard can damage the surrounding wall structure. This can lead to rot, mold growth, and weakening of the wall itself, jeopardizing the structural safety of your home. Secondly, dampness creates a breeding ground for mold and mildew, posing health risks to you and your family. Mold spores can trigger allergies, respiratory problems, and other health issues. Lastly, repairing the damage caused by using fiberboard for waterproofing can be expensive. You'll likely face costs for replacing the damaged material, fixing the affected wall structure, and addressing any mold or mildew growth. In the following section, we'll introduce reliable alternatives to fiberboard for waterproofing, ensuring your home stays dry and safe. Fortunately, superior alternatives to fiberboard provide reliable waterproofing for your windows. Waterproof membranes and exterior-grade cement boards are excellent choices that offer long-lasting protection against moisture. Waterproof membranes are specially designed to create an impenetrable barrier against water. These thin, flexible sheets are installed around the window opening, effectively preventing any water from seeping through. Exterior-grade cement boards, on the other hand, are robust and water-resistant. These boards provide a durable and long-lasting barrier against moisture, while adding structural integrity to the window opening. Both options are significantly more resistant to water damage than fiberboard, ensuring your home remains dry and protected. They are designed to withstand the elements, providing peace of mind and preventing costly repairs in the future. Next, let's look at real-world examples of what happens when fiberboard is used inappropriately for waterproofing. Section 5, when fiberboard fails, real-world water damage. Imagine this. You're considering fiberboard to save some money on your window installation. It seems like an easy fix. However, this decision could lead to significant problems down the line. Think about a homeowner who opted for fiberboard around their windows. After a few months of rainy weather, they notice paint bubbling around the window frame. Upon closer inspection, they discover the fiberboard behind the paint has turned soft and spongy. The once sturdy material is now a breeding ground for mold. In another scenario, a homeowner might discover their once straight window frames have become warped and distorted. The culprit? Water-damaged fiberboard behind the frame expanding and contracting with moisture changes, compromising the structural integrity of the window. These real-world examples highlight the risks of using fiberboard for waterproofing. The seemingly minor savings during installation can result in significant expenses and headaches later. Let's shift our focus to the numerous benefits of using high-quality waterproofing materials. Section 6. Superior materials, superior protection. Choosing the right waterproofing materials is an investment in your home's longevity and your family's well-being. Unlike fiberboard, waterproof membranes and exterior-grade cement boards provide peace of mind and long-term protection. These superior materials offer numerous benefits. They create an impenetrable barrier against moisture, preventing water from seeping into the wall structure and causing damage. This protection safeguards your home from rot, mold growth, and structural issues, ensuring a safe and healthy living environment. Furthermore, these materials are incredibly durable. They withstand harsh weather conditions, UV exposure, and temperature fluctuations without compromising their effectiveness. This longevity ensures your home remains protected for years, saving you from the hassle and expense of frequent repairs or replacements. Let's delve deeper into why opting for the right waterproofing materials is crucial for a secure and comfortable home. Section 7. Why choose the right materials? Choosing the right materials for your home renovation projects, especially when it comes to waterproofing, is crucial. Opting for inferior materials might seem cost-effective initially, but it can lead to costly repairs and health hazards down the line. Using the right materials, such as waterproof membranes and exterior-grade cement boards, ensures your home is protected from the damaging effects of moisture. These materials are designed to withstand the elements, providing a reliable barrier against water infiltration and preventing potential problems. Remember, your home is a significant investment, and protecting it with the right materials is essential. Choosing quality over cost-cutting measures ensures your home remains dry, safe, and structurally sound for years to come. Now, let's take a closer look at the features and benefits of waterproofing membranes. Section 8. Waterproofing membranes. A closer look. Waterproof membranes are a game-changer in construction, offering superior protection against moisture damage. These thin, flexible sheets are typically made from synthetic materials like polyethylene or polypropylene designed to create an impenetrable barrier against water. One of the key advantages of waterproofing membranes is their ease of installation. They come in rolls and can be easily cut to size and applied to various surfaces, including wood, concrete, and metal. Their flexibility allows them to conform to irregular shapes and angles, ensuring a watertight seal around windows and other openings. Moreover, waterproofing membranes are incredibly durable. They resist tearing, puncturing, and UV degradation, maintaining their effectiveness even in harsh weather conditions. This durability ensures long-lasting protection for your home, preventing water damage and costly repairs. Now, let's explore the features and advantages of exterior-grade cement boards for waterproofing. Section 9. Exterior-grade cement boards. Strength and durability. Exterior-grade cement boards are another excellent option for waterproofing around windows. These boards are made from a mixture of cement, sand, and cellulose fibers, making them incredibly strong, durable, and moisture-resistant. One of the main benefits of cement boards is their ability to withstand harsh weather conditions. They are impervious to rot, mildew, and insect damage, making them ideal for exterior applications. Their resistance to moisture prevents swelling, warping, and other issues commonly associated with wood-based materials like fiberboard. Furthermore, cement boards provide excellent fire resistance, adding an extra layer of safety to your home. They are non-combustible and can help prevent the spread of flames in case of a fire. This fire resistance makes them a wise choice for areas around windows where fire hazards might be present. Let's conclude by emphasizing the importance of making informed decisions for a dry and secure home. Section 10. Making informed choices for a dry home. When it comes to home renovations, making informed decisions is crucial, especially when it comes to waterproofing. Understanding the materials you choose and their long-term implications can save you time, money, and potential headaches down the line. While fiberboard might seem like a cost-effective option, its vulnerability to moisture makes it unsuitable for waterproofing around windows. Choosing superior alternatives like waterproof membranes or exterior-grade cement boards ensures long-lasting protection against water damage. Remember, investing in the right materials is an investment in your home's longevity and your family's well-being. By making informed choices, you can enjoy a dry, safe, and comfortable home for years to come. Finally, let's emphasize why your home deserves the best when it comes to waterproofing. Section 11. Your home deserves the best. Invest in proper waterproofing. Your home is more than just a building. It's your sanctuary, a place where you create memories and find comfort. Protecting this valuable asset with the best possible materials should be a top priority, and that includes ensuring proper waterproofing. Investing in high-quality waterproofing materials like membranes or cement boards might seem like an additional expense, but it's a wise decision that saves you money in the long run. By preventing water damage, you avoid costly repairs, protect your home's structural integrity, and ensure a healthy living environment for your family. Remember, when it comes to your home's safety and longevity, never compromise. Choose the best materials and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is well protected against the elements.